Here at Anderson Air Corps, we've been serving New Mexico's heating and air conditioning needs for over 50 years. Something that's kind of different for us than a lot of contracting companies out there is we only do heating and air conditioning. That's what we do. We don't do roofing, we don't do plumbing. We're a heating and air conditioning company, and that's our passion.
Whenever you need maintenance or repairs on your heating or air conditioning, call us, day or night. Our Anderson Air Corps techs are on call around the clock, ready to respond to your needs.
When you have an emergency, we do everything we can to get a crew to you quickly. For both emergencies and service calls, we always do a courtesy call so you can make the best use of your time and still be there when we arrive.
Our techs are experts in diagnosing issues. Doesn't matter what make or model you have, we're not happy until we find out exactly what the problem is. In our minds, old is not a reason to replace your equipment. If it can be fixed, we will fix it.
Many of our customers have a preventative maintenance contract with us. We come out twice a year to maintain your equipment, and we also guarantee same-day emergency service to our preventative maintenance customers.
When you need maintenance or repair to your heating and air conditioning system, call us, the HVAC Geeks at Anderson Air Corps.